Hello there. Hope everyone's well. And today I've been back down to the Bramley-moore dockside to give a little update on the new Everton stadium build. We were supposed to go down Sunday, but the weather was just too bad to get down. So this is the first chance we've had to get back down. So we're going to take a look and see what's going on. If you do like content like this or any football content, you can subscribe to our channel. It is free to do so. You can also leave a comment, like and share the video with your family and friends, and your comments are always welcome. You can follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is on your screen now at the Stadium00. Okay, so we're going to get straight into this because there's all kinds going on all over the show. Okay, so we've got work going on the front of the stadium, which is the east side of the new grounds. Also, the first time I've seen this, maybe I've just missed it, or it is just the first time I've caught it. There's actually workers on the little roof of what's going to be the part of the Everton Museum, and I believe it's going to be a cafe as well, if I'm not mistaken. And so there's work happening on there as well. So last time we concentrated on the south and west side of the stadium. So in this video we are going to concentrate on the north and east side, but we will go around and take a little look at the west side as well. So at the moment they are still fitting these glass panels on the north side of the stadium. There's now nearly 3 rows of these glass panels now, which in a way is a bit of a pain because you can't see through properly anymore because of the reflection off the glass. But we will have a little look inside, which is actually looking quite empty inside the actual site where obviously the pitch is going to be and whatnot. Obviously the roof structure is now complete. There are people on the roof, so we are keeping a really good distance away from them. There's quite a lot of people on the roof, to be honest. We are going to take a look round and see what they're up to, see what they're doing. Yeah, so it just makes it a bit more difficult to see inside, but like I've said previously, you know, this was always going to come to this point. There used to be obviously the roof trusses and stuff inside when they were building the part of the roof. Obviously the structure is now complete, so obviously they're not there anymore inside. They're fitted onto the roof, funnily enough. So yeah, let's see what else is happening here. We're using the zoom function, which does slightly decrease the quality of the picture, but obviously I do want to keep a really good distance because of all them workers on the roof and stuff like that. Yeah, so them glass panels, it looks like they're nearly finished, which is good. And obviously overnight, when it's all lit up and everything, it'll look really good. Okay, we're going to take a look at this, what these guys are doing on the roof. I'm a bit gutted actually, and I'll show you why in a moment. Just so you know, when I record these videos, I record the video for here. There it is. I'm sorry, I'll get back on that in a moment. So I thought these guys were going to fit that last piece in, so we just stayed there they just kept the drone hovering because I thought that's what they were doing, and then they just taken in completely the opposite direction. I was like, oh well. Yeah, and I thought they were fitting it on that gap there, if you can just see in the middle of your screen now, but they weren't. So that was a bit of a disappointment. Yeah, so I record the footage, obviously, at the site, and then I will add the voiceover, commentary, whatever you want to call it, later on. So I do kind of know what's coming And that's what I was about to say. I just thought they were going to fit in that gap, but they never. So, never mind. So just on to the Merseyside, which is the west. Again, there's lots of people all doing different things, and which is really, really good to see. So this west side, the roof is like what? Maybe 2/3 covered now. The north looks completely covered. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure someone will tell me. I don't know whether they're actually adding anything else on to the roof, or is that north roof now completely covered, or is it, is that just like an underlay, or is that it? I've always been straight with anyone that watches my videos. I am no sort of expert at all, and a lot of the viewers that I get to kindly guide me through these videos. Again, I've always said it, and I always will, because this is just what I am. I'm just a guy with a drone who's just showing you how it's visually looking. So yeah, I'd just rather be honest and start blabbing on about things that I haven't got a clue about. I'm sure someone will let me know in the comments below. If you haven't seen it, we've done a live stream on Sunday, me and Oscar. Well, Oscar video that I just excuse me, sorry. And it was just about I'm sure you've seen it, the 10-point deduction Everton have received from this panel that the Premier League put together. So I will leave that at the end of this video. If you want to get involved with the debate on that, I put a Facebook post out on one of the larger Everton groups I'm part of. We got some interesting replies, so we go through that in that video, and we have a little chat. It's a video I actually done quite a bit of research on, so I knew what I was talking about. So if you do want to take a look at that, I will leave it linked in the end screen of this particular video. Yeah, so there's all sorts going on now. I haven't noticed this before. Now, maybe sometimes when I'm videoing a video, when I'm shooting a video, there's something happening somewhere. I'll be concentrating on that, and sometimes I do miss things. But all these white bricks in the bottom left-hand corner, they just been fitted. They must have just been fitted. I've never noticed them before. They must have been in the process of getting fitted. So I'm guessing that's how it's going to look once it's all complete. Nice and clean white bricks, which is good. Right, so we're just going to leave it there for today, and we'll get round to the other side later on in the week. So yeah, take care of yourselves, and that video will be on your screen now. Just click on it and it'll load up. So take care, and we will see you very soon.